Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Technical Director of Cavalier FC, Rudolph Speed, says the CONCACAF Champions Cup round of 16 clash against Lionel Messi's Inter Miami this evening could serve as an inspiration for Jamaica football. Speaking at Wednesday's press conference, Speed says that they are motivated to come away with a positive result ahead of the second leg match in Jamaica on March 13.
We're happy. We got the opportunity to play against Inter Miami with not just Lionel Messi, but a lot of really good players. Busquets, Alba, Suarez. We're really looking forward to doing well. I think it could inspire a generation of players in Jamaica itself, just because of what will happen. We'll play them here. Everybody will be watching on TV. And also in the return leg, where we expect to have a packed stadium. Cavalier defender Giovanni Leng says they've been well prepared for the encounter.
Our preparation is just the same. We're taking it a match at a time, but this is different opposition. So as I said, we analyze the game, coach, bring out the tactics, and we have been working on it, and tomorrow we try our best to put it out there.
The match kicks off at 8 p.m. Jamaica time. Action continues in the Jamaica Ray and Nephew Premier League today with 5 matches on the cards. In the games at 3:30, leaders Mount Pleasant FA will take on Waterhouse at Draxall Sports Complex, while Humble Lion and Tivoli Gardens will oppose each other at the Effortville Community Centre. Montego Bay United will welcome Harbourview FC to the Montego Bay Sports Complex at 6 p.m, while in a doubleheader at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex, the feature game will see Arnett Gardens take on Chapelton Maroons after Racing United battle Dunby Holding in the Curtain Raiser. And finally, the Cleveland Cavaliers beat the Miami Heat 112-107 on Wednesday night to become the first team to book a place in the NBA playoffs. The Heat opened up a 7-point lead in the fourth quarter, but the Cavaliers mounted a late comeback to seal their 12th straight victory. The win means the Cavaliers, who have lost just 10 of their 62 games this season, have assured their place in the postseason despite having 20 games left to play in the regular season. The Cavaliers, seeking a second NBA championship to add to their 2016 triumph, are on course to win this year's Eastern Conference, which should give them a top seed spot in the playoffs. Meanwhile, Oklahoma City Thunder are on course to become the first team in the Western Conference to seal a playoff spot after beating the Memphis Grizzlies 120-103. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander starred for the Thunder with 41 points. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.